What's up, you all? How you all doing? Hope you're doing super well. This is Recipe Magic. I'm Surab and I'm back with another great recipe today to teach you this summer. Isn't it such an amazing summer this year, and it's just the right time to make amazing summer recipes using some fresh produce. So today I'll teach you how to make Jalapeño Peach Chicken. It's just in right time for summers, and it doesn't get easier and better than this. So let's get started. Jalapeño Peach Chicken. First of all, to make the peach glaze, combine some peach preserve along with some apple cider vinegar. Next goes in some dark soy sauce and also some Dijon Mustard. Give it a quick stir and combine everything together along with some chili flakes. Combine all of it together to make your peach glaze and set it aside. You can even use peach jam here if you have that at home. However, peach glaze works the best. It's easily available in all grocery stores these days and it works perfectly for this recipe. Next, over to the next step and prep the chicken. I'll use cubed chicken breast, season it with some salt, pepper and also some chili powder. If you find chili powder too spicy, you can also skip it and use smoked paprika or sweet paprika as well. Combine all of it together until your chicken gets perfectly seared, and then heat some olive oil in a skillet and add the chicken and cook them for 4 to 5 minutes over medium-low heat, tossing alternatively so that they get perfectly golden brown in color and get seared on all sides. This step ensures that your chicken gets perfectly cooked in all its way. You can toss the chicken using a spatula or a spoon so that they get perfectly cooked in the skillet itself. There are a couple of variations which you can do into cooking the chicken. You can season the chicken and throw them into the microwave and bake them at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes so that they get perfectly cooked. Alternatively, you can even cook them in a grill pan. Also, you can even grill them outdoors. It's a summer season and grilled chicken tastes just amazing. You can even air fry them. Meanwhile, you can prep the peaches. Just peel off the skin, remove the pit and chop them into thin slices. And when your chicken looks golden brown, just as they are looking right now onto your screen, you can turn off the heat and remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside onto a separate dish. Next, in the same skillet, I'll pour in the peach preserve. Once you have poured all of it, just save some of it for less later on. Next, add in the chopped jalapenos, and also I'll add some chopped peaches into it. Here I'm using pickled jalapenos so they are not too spicy. However, if you are using fresh jalapenos which are freshly chopped, you want to control the quantity into making it because this might get too spicy. Then you just want to add all the cooked chicken into it and toss everything together so that your peach chicken gets ready. This just needs cooking for about 2 minutes over very low heat. Add the remaining peach preserve all over it, toss everything together and your peach Jalapeño chicken will be ready within no time. Isn't it such a fun and amazing recipe? A fruity punch to it because of the peaches. It's tarty, sweet and so delicious as well. Also, it's equally spicy because of the jalapenos and chili powder. It's such an amazing recipe, perfect for the summer season. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to do that. Click the subscribe button right now and hit the like button so that you never miss an update. Find the full recipe in the description box below and have a great weekend, y'all.